multiple charges, including sexual assault of a person under 16, forcible confinement, and assault, among others. As agency notes, he has previously been convicted of many crimes, including sexual assault. He's a repeat offender. He's a high-risk offender. And again, this is someone who has committed a crime. He's served time.
What are you doing?
And police don't have control of that, as you know. The investigator found so.
What the f are you doing? Oh my god, what the f are you doing?
So we are cruising down the highway in Arkansas, and we just left Fiddler's Bend. And if you watch this truck here, right here is where I hit a driveway. You can see that I tried to swerve to miss it. So at this point right here, I am trying to work it out in my mind how we are going to get this all home. So as you can see, that wheel smashed my fender, it blew out the front tire, it bent the front wheel, it broke the springs, and it pushed that whole front axle back into the back axle, and this is where I came to a stop at. As you can see, I drug it a long way. I was really fighting for control, and I was on the brakes, but you can't brake too hard under a situation like that or you're going to lose it worse. And, you know, I was trying to keep from going into oncoming traffic and make things worse. And you can see how bad the wheel is smashed.
Please say or select a command from the displayed list.
Call 911.
Please say or select a command from...
Get off your phone, you would have been across the damn thing. The road is going down. Days off. Damn.
How did that even happen?
I don't see nothing.
No, that one hit with that car right there.
Oh, damn.
It just went like that.
Yep. You good?
There's nobody there. There's nobody there. Oh my God.
Damn. He like, how the f did I do that? His went up in the air.
You got a stop sign, asshole.
And they beat the horn at that guy. He's gonna skip everybody instead of waiting in line patiently. You see? Woo!
Oh? Huh. Fun.
Oh, fuck. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Stupid. Tango, Yankee, Bravo, 942.
What is it? What is it? What is your maneuver was about? If you're looking for something, please park and check. You slide, idiot!